How to unhide apps on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see a few methods to unhide apps on your Android device. But before we get started, make sure that you like the video down below and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Now let's get started. As you can see here, there are two apps missing on my home screen, one from here and one from here. So I've hidden them using two different ways. I'm going to show you how you can unhide them in two different ways as well. So the first one is pretty basic, where you can use the hide and unhide feature on your Android device. But the process depends on which device you have. So on a Samsung device, you basically pinch out of your home screen. You can find the settings menu at the bottom right corner. Now from your settings, you can find something called Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you have hidden any apps, it will be shown on the top of the list. As you can see, I've hidden Facebook, so I can tap on it to remove it and unhide it. Now tap on Done at the bottom. Now your Facebook has successfully been unhidden, so you can go to your app screen and find Facebook over here. This is the first method. And the second method of unhiding the app is from your settings. So simply go ahead and open up your settings menu. And from your settings, scroll down all the way here until you find app settings. Tap on your apps. And then from there, you need to find the app that is hidden. So go ahead and search for it. I've hidden Google Chrome from my home screen, so I can just search for Chrome. And as you can see here, it has shown me the disabled labels. That's why I'm not able to see it on my home screen. I can simply tap on the enable button down below and then re-enable the app. So if I go over here and go to my app screen, Google Chrome has been added to my app screen as well. That's how you basically unhide apps on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.